Game, tara.
Dami ko nga lighter dito, 4.
Apat? Saan tayo pupunta? Ay, jacket. Ayun na. Huwag ka na mag-jacket, pre. Mainit.
Pagod talaga sa atin yung init nito.
Okay lang yan.
Hindi naman nakasahib nagmamatay. Lagi ko lang sinasabi kang damate, pero
Takot ka rin pala. Apaw na yan.
nakakapamatay pa eh. Hindi man ako mamatay sa sa stroke dito pade. Sa ano ata mamatay sa stroke. Ano shit pala?
Oji Jose. Traffic boy. Ate, paano pag nag-slide yung bubong sa atin?
Pati tayo dyan pade. Pade pagka bigil ba na uwi, kulang ng isang araw na motor.
Hindi, kaya naman. Ilang oras ba tayo nun? Nung nagkarlan tayo?
Kakakotse tayo.
Hindi, yung nakamotor din tayo. Nakakotse ba tayo nun?
Hindi ako kasama nun, yung kasama si na Kuya Bren.
Hindi ka ba kasama nun?
Saan tayo mag-antay?
Mamaya hanap tayo mura.
Baka magturik na siya eh.
Papultang tayo.
Ako na bahala sa gas nyo. Dalawa kayo.
Papultang tayo. Hanggang box. Tama yon? Papultang tayo hanggang box. Tama yon?
Ako na bahala.
O mali?
Ako na bahala.
O bahala na rin si Tamtams.
Ibaba mo nga yan. Wala pa ba tayo na ulit yan? Nandun ka pala. Ano ba yung sa araw?
Ha?
Sa Facebook, yung pandak na lalaki na po-forward dito yan eh.
Si Flo G?
Sex me.
Si Flo G?
Oh, Flo G ng ano? Saan si?
Dito?
Asan yun?
Papapicture tayo.
Yung idol niya sa AJ Rabal. Yung lagi niya sinasabi. Dito pala yun.
Kala ko sa Litex.
Kita ko yun si Flo G ng Litex. Nagtatrabaho pa kami sa Comelec.
Ah? Hindi pa sikat.
Flo G ng Litex. Sabi ni Casey na yun.
Kilala na siya noon. Kilala na.
Sabi pa ni Casey na yun. Gato yung Flo G ng Litex. Yung kilala sa Facebook. Pero naalala na naman eh, no?
Oo. Ay! Naalala na naman ang Baby Loves.
Naalala naman ang mga nakaraan.
Dito na tayo magpagas sa Phoenix. Ay hindi, ayun, Uno. Doon tayo sa Uno. Full tank te. Green. Akan na. Ito. Hindi, wag yan, hindi kasya yan.
Iinom ako ng gamot. Mahirap na.
Teka lang. Bigyan mo nga piso eh.
Yeah, tama-tama. Piso lang dala ko eh.
Tangin naman, paano pag nakabasag ka ng itlog? Tangin naman, pag nakabasag ka ng itlog, makukulong ka pa.
Matitiis niyo ba makulong ako dahil sa itlog?
Oo naman, sino ka ba? Game, banat. Woo! Ultak na naman ang pusa.
I could compare you to a painting done by a master long ago. But the love I feel in you is more like the rising sun. I'm bathing in your warmth where you go. And there's a place where we are free, beneath the sun and by the sea, where beauty is exactly as it seems. sun, and we can make reality from dreams, and we'll be free. And if I tried to write a love song half as pretty as you are, well, I know that it could never be as beautiful as the night you lay beside me beneath the stars. And there's a place where we are free, beneath the sun by the sea, where beauty is exactly as it seems. Together we can run under the stars beneath the sun, and we can make reality from dreams, and we'll be free. Yeah, we'll be free. When the dawn brings us another day, I wake up with you by my side, and I know when the sun falls that I'll still be here with you, as surely as the moon will bring the tides. And there's a place where we are free, beneath the sun by the sea, where beauty is exactly as it seems. Together we can run under the stars beneath the sun, and we can make reality from dreams. And there's a place where we are free, beneath the sun by the sea, where beauty is exactly as it seems. Together we can run under the stars beneath the sun, and we can make reality from dreams. And we can make reality from dreams, and we'll be free.
O dyan na lang, tinto ka na may tindahan dyan. Ano tayo? Tikip tayo. Kahit wag na tayo mag-ano eh. Muni eh. Baka makagulots eh. Joystick.
Excuse me, ma, I saw your flowers on the
Wala,
floor and
napatong na
had
naman
to
dun sa ano,
holler.
sa tindahan. Marami?
Cause baby girl, you got that style, and I dig you off the chain. I'm like, oh, girl, you blow my mind. Like, oh, it's just the way that you shine. Like, oh, you make me wanna scream and shout your name out loud. Stop, I can't deal with this ass-stepping. Stop, you need to quit playing them foolish games. Stop, girl, you're talking to a real player. Oh, maybe girl, just stop. You know what the problem is? The problem is that mommy knows she
Wala lahat ang
ain't
binila
playing
natin ng
hard to
tindahan.
get. Take a sip of that yak off my blunt, so she be giving it up.
Saan tayo mabakalsi?
She be acting like that
Meron na
Gucci
doon?
made her go.
Meron na dun sa'yo?
And I ain't
Bakit,
having
ha?
that shit. No, no, no. I'm like, oh, trick you ain't all that. Like, oh, acting all bad. Shorty nearly had me falling for her stupid shit. I can't deal with this ass-stepping. Stop.
Bakit dito may
Need to quit playing them foolish games. Stop, girl, you're talking to a real player. Or maybe, girl, just stop. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Stop. playing them foolish games. Stop. Girl, you're talking to a real player. Oh, maybe girl, just stop. The bitch is so dumb, I need to tell her again. Stop. I can't deal with this half-stepping. Stop. You need to quit playing them foolish games. Stop. Girl, you're talking to a real player. Oh, maybe girl, just stop.